In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lower audio volume in Shotcut. So I have here a video clip and I'd like to go ahead and add an audio track. And to add an audio track, just right click on top of this timeline. And then we have an option called track operation, choose audio track. And this will go ahead and add now an audio track below it. So I'll go ahead and drag my audio track here. And here we go. So when I play, you can hear the audio is too loud. So to reduce this audio, just right click on this audio track, then come here under filters and tap on it. Alternatively, you have filters here. You can use this option. So if you tap on filters, tap on the plus to choose a filter that you want. And then under search here, search for gain. And here's the operation that I want to use. Tap on this gain stroke volume. And now you can go ahead and adjust this volume. If you want to reduce it, just go ahead and lower this level to a level you're comfortable. Then go ahead and listen in. That is too low. At least that's better. Great. So I like to lower it to minus 10.7 decibels, and that is okay. I'm done. Now once you're done, you can go ahead and export your file straight to your computer and you'll be done. So that's how you lower volume in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.